Well, hello and welcome to another episode of Kuma's Kitchen and another refreshing summer salad. I call this one Gobo Daikon salad, or Japanese radish and burdock root. No, it's the other way around. Burdock root and Japanese radish salad. And I gotta thank one of our viewers out there, AM Noon 94. Because it was a couple weeks ago, AM Noon said, hey, do you think you could make a dish with Daikon? And so I was like, yeah, why not? Let's make a nice salad, perfect for summer. It's got that nice crunchiness to it. It's refreshing. And then throw a little gobo in there, a little burdock root. Just adds a little extra flavor. And there's some sesame seeds in there. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's refreshing for summer. Let's go in the kitchen and make that right now. To make the salad, well, there's not very many ingredients. Pretty simple. Across the front is all the dressing ingredients. Well, it's actually really an add-on after is just fantastic. But this is gonna make the main dressing right here. What I've got is 1.5 tablespoons of sesame oil. Notice a really dark sesame oil, lots of flavor to it. 1 tablespoon of vinegar, rice vinegar, but yeah, any vinegar will do. 1/2 teaspoon of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. That's all going to go together. Then, what we've got over here is 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Oh, that just adds a little something. And then the two main attractions here are the gobo or burdock root. That's one long gobo root. They're quite skinny, quite long. If you find one in the supermarket. And then what I've done is just peeled off the outside and cut it up like matchsticks. Right away you want to get into water because gobo, like apples, browns very quickly. So you want to get into some water, and in a minute it's going to go in that boiling water. And then over here I've got a Daikon radish, also cut into matchsticks. How big is a half? How big was that Daikon? Well, here's the other half, so it kind of gives you an idea. How big is a regular sized Daikon? It's about that long, which is usually what we get. And then I've just cut it up into matchsticks. To do that, it's really easy. All you do is you cut across in about, a little over 1.5 inch lengths, about 4 to 5 centimeters. And then turn it around, cut into 1/8 inch, 2-3 millimeters, turn around, cut it the other way again, and you got matchsticks. All right, what I want to do now is I want to get the burdock into here and get it boiling for about 2 minutes, just to get the rawness out of it. It's like playing a game here, fishing game. This is like when I'm eating ramen and you always try to get those last couple pieces out of the ramen bowl. Oh, that was one more. There we go. Okay, all right, just simmer that for about 2 minutes. Now, one quick word about the burdock root. You might not be able to get it. Some places you'll find it, some places not. It's not always easy to find in other countries. If you can't, you know what's also great in this? Yeah, use a carrot instead. It's a different flavor sensation, but I would do the same thing with the carrot. I'd matchstick it up and just cook it for probably you wouldn't even go full 2 minutes with the carrot. Just about a minute, just to get it going a little bit, and then right away into the dressing. Alright, so I've cooked the burdock root and drained it. There's not very much in there, really. The roots are pretty small. This one was skinnier than usual. Maybe I should have gotten 2. I don't know. It's up to you. You can add more, you can add less. It just adds a little bit of a flavor profile in there. Alright, while it's still warm, what I want to do is I want to make the dressing. So I'm just going to put this off to one side. Let's get the bowl in here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to make the oil and the vinegar and the soy sauce. I'm not going to add the mayonnaise just yet. I'm going to whisk that together. And then, while that gobo is still warm and still hot basically, I'm going to get it in there and toss it around a bit. That's going to allow it to soak up a bit of that flavor. Alright, now what I do do is I want to cool that gobo down. Once it's cooled down just a little bit, I'm going to chill it a bit, and then we'll be ready to make the rest of the salad. Alright, that's chilled down nicely, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get that mayonnaise in there. So, okay, that in, and mix the mix the mayonnaise in. It's like good Kewpie mayonnaise. Alright, so just going to mix around to get the mayonnaise mixed in with the salad dressing. Like that, looking good. Alright, in goes the daikon, and on top of that I'm going to sprinkle the sesame, and then just toss it. When we get till we've got the dressing and the gobo mixed throughout there, the sesame seeds are throughout, and then it's going to be ready for dinner tonight. Nice little refreshing salad for a summer night. Perfect. Oh, look at that. It's starting to come together already. A little bit more. So I want to make sure we get everything coated with some of that dressing. And then you get the sesame seeds all throughout like that. Look at that. That's going to be actually perfect. Alright, that's looking good. Yep, it's all mixed up. Perfect. Ready to go. Hey, alright, if you like this recipe, well, make sure you check out the rest of them here. A lot of original Kevin Riley recipes here on Kuma's Kitchen. And also make sure that you have clicked that notification bell, and subscribe too. But make sure you click that notification bell too. Don't just subscribe, because that notification bell is what makes sure that you get notified when a new recipe comes out. You never know what I'm going to make next. There's all kinds of fertile ideas swimming around in my head. So, go right now, make a refreshing salad and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.